Hello student, welcome to the KTHM e-learning portal. I am Pratik Shinde, working as assistant professor in Department of Zoology, KTHM College, Nasik. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the subject Applied Zoology second, and we are going to cover the topic beekeeping equipments. Beekeeping is an commercial unit of apiculture. But due to the lack of knowledge, this branch is not much popular in India, as it is in the Western countries. Even people of India do not know that it can be profitable profession, as the poultry farm, vermitechnology, sericulture, pisciculture, and like horticulture. Because the people are not familiar with the technique of beekeeping and its management. We are going to see all the technique related with beekeeping and the equipment which are used in beekeeping seen in this lecture. First we see the methods of beekeeping used in our ancestor and in a modern. First we see the crude method. The ultimate aim of beekeeping is to get more and more honey in pure form. The old method commonly used by old apiculturists is very crude, crucial and unplanned type. This old method, also called as endogenous method. In crude method, the honey is extracted through direct twisting the comb, which have larva and honey in it by using cloth. Honey having juice of larva that is contaminated. The destruction of comb and killing the honeybee. This is an extinction of honeybee due to this method. The second method is traditional method. In the traditional method, we have to use a different type of hives. Like a grass hive is made from dry grass woven together in a basket. Then the second is log hive. Here the hollow wooden log is used for beekeeping. Then the clay pot hive, the cheapest and most durable, made from soil. Then barrel hive. The barrel hive is made from metal, plastic, wood. Barrel are used for beekeeping. Then gourd hive. The gourd provide a natural cavity for bees. Then our modern beekeeping. The father of modern beekeeping was Langstroth. They invented the bee space. They invented the mobile comb hive, that is movable comb hive. See here, this is a photograph of Langstroth. Then we see the different equipment used in modern beekeeping. Nowadays, typical type of movable hive is constructed, which is capable for construction according to the requirement of place, season and climatic condition. For commercial beekeeping in an apiary, a good beekeeper required a number of equipments like bee box, hive stand, brood chamber, super chamber, comb frame, queen excluder, comb foundation sheet, division board, feeder, bee well or also called as overall, then bee brush, smoker, hive tool, uncapping knife, honey extractor, queen cage, and swarm trap. These are all the beekeeping equipment used by good beekeeper. Then the first is bee box. This is an modern beehive. It was developed by Langstroth in 1851. It is commonly used by 75% of all the world beekeepers. It is suitable for bee colony. It is made up of wood. It consists of different parts such as stand with ant walls, bottom or alligator board, then brood chamber, the brood chamber having brood frame, then queen excluder, then super or honey chamber having a super frame and roof or the top cover. The stand is keep the hive above the ground, and the ant veil prevent the entry of ant and other insect on bee box. It is of two types, namely pole stand and leg stand. The top of the stand has a platform. This is an bottom board. Bottom board, also called as floor board, alligating board. The bottom board is extended in front of the hive body. It provides a landing platform for bees. This is the structure of Langstroth type of bee box. We see the brood chamber. Brood chamber is an open wooden box containing brood frame. Brood chamber is placed over the bottom board. Brood chamber is without top and bottom. Brood means larva of honeybee. Queen lay a egg in brood chamber only when the queen excluder is present. See here, this is an brood chamber with brood frames. Next, the comb frames. The comb frames placed vertically in the brood chamber and in super chamber. Comb frames have a top bar, two side bar and bottom bar. See here, top bar, side bar and bottom bar. Top bar and bottom bar having a groove for fixing the comb foundation sheet. See here, the top bar having groove and bottom bar having groove for fixing the comb foundation sheet. Sidebar having a hole for wiring the frame for fixing comb foundation sheet. See here, this is a hole for fixing the comb foundation sheet with wiring. See here, this is an comb foundation sheet. Each chamber can hold 7 comb frames. Each comb frame is tied with comb foundation sheet. Comb frames are movable. Space between two frames 7 to 9 mm. There are two types of frames, brood comb frame and super comb frame. Brood comb frame is placed in a brood chamber and super comb frame is placed in super chamber. Then the comb foundation sheet. Comb foundation sheet is a sheet of artificial comb cell on which honeybee build the comb. It is a thin sheet of pure bee wax imprinted with the pattern of hexagon. It contains hexagonal cell identical to the natural comb. The size of the hexagon varies with bee species. It is cut proper size and attached to the comb frame by means of thin wire. The bee use this sheet as foundation and make comb cell over this sheet. Then the queen excluder. Queen excluder is the board used to keep the queen inside the brood chamber and to prevent it to enter the super chamber. It is a perforated zinc sheet mounted on a wooden frame. The size of the pore is 3.5 mm. Queen excluder is kept between brood chamber and super. It can allow the worker to pass through but prevent the queen. It is useful to keep the queen to brood chamber. It prevents the queen from laying the egg in honeycomb or super chamber. Then the honey or super chamber. Super chamber is an open wooden box containing honeycomb frame. It is called super chamber because it is placed over the brood chamber. It is simply called as super. In the super comb, honey is stored, then is called as honey chamber. The super chamber is placed over the queen excluder, and the queen excluder prevents the entry of queen into the super chamber for prevent the egg laying in super chamber. It is a box without top and bottom. It contains super frame. There are 7 super frames. The super frame contains comb foundation sheet. It is used to store honey and pollen. Some Newton hive contain more than 2 super chamber on brood chamber. Then the dummy board or division board. Dummy division board is an wooden board placed between comb frame. It is placed inside the brood chamber. It can use as movable wall, thereby limiting the volume of brood chamber. It is prevent the bee from going one comb frame to the another. It's help the bee to maintain the hive temperature and to protect them from enemies. Then the feeder. Feeders are used for feeding sugar syrup or water to honeybee, particularly in drought period. We are fed with honey syrup or sugar syrup when there is insufficient amount of honey for their food. It is made from wooden or plastic and shaped like a regular comb frame. It is placed in a brood chamber as like comb frame placed. Wooden small strip placing on the surface of sugar syrup. These wooden strips serve as float and prevent the dropping of bees into the sugar syrup. Then the bee veil and overall. Most experienced beekeepers wear bee veil to protect their face and eye from the honeybee sting. Wire veils keep bees further away from the face than those made from silk or cotton. Some beekeepers prefer to wear a bee suit, or also known as overall. It protects whole body from sting. A beekeeper's clothing should be light in color because bees generally do not like dark color and will attack dark object. Bee gloves protect the hand and arm from stings, but it is hard to do some job while wearing them. It is good idea to wear gloves until you feel more comfortable working with your bees. Gumboot protect the legs from sting. Then the bee brush. Bee brush is an soft camel hair brush with soft bristle. A bee brush is used to remove bee from comb of brood or honey, particularly those bee that doesn't come off when the comb is shaken. It is mainly used during colony examination and honey extraction. Here the person is remove the bees using bee brush. Then the smoker. Smoker is a smoke producing equipment to drive away the bee, to remove the comb frame from the hive for honey extraction and inspection. Smoker consists of fire pot, a funnel, a tube and a blow of leather. The fire pot is a cylindrical container made from stainless steel or copper. Coconut fiber or old cloths are used as firing material. The smoker is used to calm down the bee while opening the hive. Honeybee avoid smoke, hence they move away from the smoke. Then the hive tool. A hive tool is an iron strip used to opening the hive and its cleaning. It can be used to separate the inner cover, gap apart frame, scrap off the bee glue and clean hive parts and do many other jobs. It is flat piece of steel shaft at one end. Then uncapping knife. The bee seal the honey storage cell with wax capping. These capping are removed with special knife known as uncapping knife. Uncapping is carried out for honey extraction. Uncapping knife is made from stainless steel. In market also electric uncapping knife is available. Then the honey extractor. A honey extractor is a mechanical device used to separate honey from the comb. Honey extractor consists of drum, wire gauze cage, a set of gear wheel and a motor or a handle. A drum is cylindrical, made up of stainless steel. The bottom of the drum functions as a reservoir for the honey. The honey reservoir has a tap for collecting honey. It is fixed and non-rotatable. The drum encloses a rotating wire gauze cage and central rod. The wire gauze cage is fixed to the rod at the center. The wire gauze cage may be rectangular or triangular or circle. The wire gauze cage is a mesh made from stainless steel rod. It can be rotated by a set of gear wheels. Uncapped comb frame are kept inside the wire gauze cage. The comb frame are placed radially. In radial arrangement, the comb frame are placed vertically like spokes of wheels. The cage is rotated manually or by the motor. The gear wheels are attached to the handle or motor. The handle consists of rotatable lever. The honey extractor extracts the honey from the honey comb without crushing it. honey is separated from the comb by centrifugal force. The comb frame are loaded in the wire gauge cage. It is rotated at the speed of 60 rpm. The rotation should be very gentle at first and the speed of revolution is increased gently. When the honeycomb are rotated, the honey is thrown out into the reservoir of the honey extraction and the comb frame again reused. Then the swarm trap, the basket or box to catch or trap the swarming bees. Here the wooden box fixed to the plant for trapping the swarm, and the swarm basket or swarm bag used for catching swarm. Then the queen cage. Queen cage used to introduce a queen to new colony and also transport the queens. Then this is a picture of apiary. An apiary is a place where beehive or bee box of honeybee are kept by beekeeper. Apiary also called as bee yard. Thank you.